This unit addresses 3 or 4 services within the one. So it's lighting, it's CCTV, so it addresses the need for lower footprint on deployment, less tendencies to the site, and it's more cost effective as the project progresses.
I'm not exaggerating, it's a quarter of the time to install. This is all in one system. You literally wheel it to the site, wind it up, done. So this is the quickest tower I've ever installed. Fully extended, the unit's 6.5 metres tall. When that's up in the air, you're going to see it from pretty much most of the site.
So the Rapid Protect is a deterrent purely down to size and the technology that's on the tower, as well as the audio challenge. The audio challenge is live audio challenge from our alarm receiving centre. It can also be pre-programmed for site announcements, so any health and safety announcements when the site opens and closes.
We have 2 camera types on the Rapid Protect CCTV tower. One allows us to identify the threat quickly and begin our response, and the other allows us to track any potential threat as they manoeuvre around the site. And it is solar powered, or at least can be.
It can run dual link SIM, so it can run everything from 2G up to 4G for anywhere where there's mobile signal. For more remote sites, if you're looking at utilities, if you're looking at renewable energy, then it can also have a Starlink unit fitted.
Sometimes in remote areas you might not be able to have the signal, and with Starlink we can obviously address that. AI has been really good because it allows us to do object tracking.
Whether it's a human or whether it's an animal or whether it's an object.
If someone comes into site and we need to find out where the movements are, the PTZ would automatically auto-track that intruder.
With having the combination of the two, we've got field of view of the whole site.
App management is absolutely crucial because it allows people to respond to any activations or threats in real time whilst they are also on the move.
It's a huge benefit to customers, so at any touch of a button, customers are live on their site. Whether they're in the country or in different parts of the world, it makes no difference.
The cameras are built to operate in a whole range of different environments. They're fitted with low light visibility, so they'll work at very high resolution during the nighttime. They can be fitted with thermal imagery, and then if anything happens to any of that power, if something is cut, it's got onboard battery backup to last about half a day. At the same time, a signal's triggered across to our alarm receiving centre. We can have an engineer on site before the power fails.
There is a big difference between a control room and an alarm receiving centre. For example, we have to have generators and a fuel farm on standby. We have to have a disaster recovery facility available. It's a highly secure, resilient environment.
Customers were looking for something that didn't exist, so we needed to develop something from the ground up. The reaction was a real wow factor because customers realised that they don't have anything like this, that there is nothing like this on the market.